Hi, my name's Billy Williams and I'm co-founder at Cufflink.io.
Hugh Watkins, rheolwr gyfarwyddwr Beacon Innovation.
Hi, I'm Hayley.
Ben Scholes.
Nathan Welsh.
Elena Serrally.
Wrth gwrs, pan mae rhywun yn meddwl amdan parc gwyddoniaeth, mae rhywun yn meddwl amdan y cyfleoedd i gwyddonwyr a peirianwyr, ond hefyd mae yna cyfle mawr yma i'r ysgol fusnes, chwarae rhan i helpu twf yr start-ups a'r entrepreneurs. Efo unrhyw cwmni neu cynnyrch, mae angen merchnata, mae angen dall y farchnad, mae angen datblygu'r model busnes, mae angen hefyd meddwl amdan prisio yn gywir, ac dyma'r cyfleoedd bydd yr ysgol fusnes yn gallu helpu cwmnïau hefo.
So linking up with MSpark for us has been really important. So MSpark is key in facilitating the dialogue between industry and academia, so it's been really useful for us. MSpark has a lot of business contacts and we're able to come here and meet with businesses, and it's all been facilitated through the Science Park.
Mae MSpark wedi rhoi llawer o ffocws ar ni môr. Da ni wedi cael cynadleddau ardderchog yma. Achos dwi'n meddwl bod yna groes beillio yn digwydd hefyd rhwng technolegau, rhwng gwyddoniaethau. Ac mae syniadau newydd yn deillio o'r math yno o'r rwydweithio sydd yn bosib yma.
Ond oedd nhw'n chwilio am leoliad eitha iconic. A mi oedd MSpark yn benthyg I hun fel partner gwych I ni fel Menter Môn er mwyn cynnig gwasanaeth y hwb yma yn Ynys Môn ac ar draws Gogledd Cymru.
Dim jyst yr adeilad ydy, ond be mae'r adeilad yn gynrychioli yr peth gorau sgynnon ni allai I ysbrydoli bobl I fod eisiau gwneud y math o bethau sy'n digwydd I fewn yn MSpark.
We moved to MSpark last year because we outgrew our previous office. It's definitely put us on the radar of when jobs have been advertised, we're getting more interest. Our last customer support job that we advertised, we had over 50 applicants for it and we were able to recruit 2 people. The other benefits that we get from the Science Park are not just the building and the fact that it's really empowering and nice to come to work, but also the people that run the Science Park. They've got the right type of growth mindset that I think you need when you're building a business that never existed before. You know, we've benefited from meetings in tenders that we might have not seen before, employment opportunities, customer meetings that wouldn't have happened, new inquiries that wouldn't have happened. So there's a definite halo effect that happens by you moving your business to the Science Park.
Since we relocated to Menai Science Park, Futurium has increased the team by 12. And I think that talent that joins Futurium, they're really impressed with all the facilities, the environment, and really very much the culture and the essence of the building. It really is a fantastic park to help promote the business, to invite clients, but also to encourage talent to the area and to our company.
Ers I ni symud yma, da ni wedi tyfu 50% o ran trosiant. Wedyn, da ni wedi llwyddo I greu 5 o swyddi, elwa ar internship Santander. A da ni wedi llwyddo I roi cais KTP mewn efo Prifysgol Bangor. Gan obeithio trawsnewid y busnes dros y 5 mlynedd nesaf.
MSpark helped us stay in the region by giving us better facilities where we were before we'd outgrown the office space, and now we've just got such a beautiful building, attracting more staff, get more CVs coming in now because people want to come here. Since we moved here, we've taken on 12 new members of staff.
The business support here at MSpark has been invaluable for us as a team, with its links to local businesses and universities, and as a result of which we've helped to secure 2 summer interns and offer them permanent positions. That's 2 permanent jobs. Above all else, MSpark is a community, that's what we see it as, and we're really happy to be part of that community, and we look forward to growing with MSpark and going forward.
Well, it's great. I've always kind of had a passion for engineering, and the makerspace here in MSpark allows me to work on all my personal projects during my lunch break and after work. It's fantastic.
Dwi'n meddwl bod myfyriwr Prifysgol Bangor wedi elwa lot fel iawn o y ffaith bod y Brifysgol yn cydweithio hefo'r parc drwy cyfleoedd I datblygu sgiliau menter a hefyd drwy datblygu profiad gwaith drwy interniaethau I datblygu profiadau gwerthfawr ofnadwy iddyn nhw ar gyfer eu dyfodol nhw. Oherwydd parodrwydd a brwdfrydedd y tîm yma yn M-SPAC i gynnig y cyfleoedd mae i myfyrwyr ni, nhw oedd enillwyr gwobr rhagoriaeth i gyflogwyr ni leni yn ein dathliad cyflogydwyedd ni.
I did the internship with Equibiome as a data analyst. The internship helped me being more employable.
My internship with M-SPAC has helped me quite a lot in terms of skills I've developed through the time. I think it's been very helpful in terms of future employment opportunities because a lot of the electronics I hadn't really seen before and been able to use, and some of the equipment I've never seen before either, and learning how to use it has kind of gave me skills that I wouldn't have had if I didn't take the internship.
I feel like that I've gained a lot through this opportunity. It has been really important to me that I have the opportunity. Overall, I would say that I'm more confident in my personal and professional skills.
Without the office space in M-SPAC, we definitely wouldn't have had the opportunity to move the company forward quite as quickly. We did actually get some other money through M-SPAC. We took part in Pitch Perfect and we secured enough money that we can get our database ready for the platform. As well as that, through M-SPAC we managed to have a pitch in front of some investors. We potentially secured the investment that's going to let us launch.
The academics and students are really, really amazed at the number and diversity of businesses that are now out at M-SPAC. Similarly, the businesses here are really impressed by what academics and students from the university can do for them and the impact that they're having on the businesses. And since we've started bringing both parties together, the list of interactions now is just getting longer and longer and longer by the week.
Cymuned o bobl sy'n gweithio yn y maes technoleg o gwmpas Gogledd Cymru i gyd. Da ni'n aml iawn yn dod yma i M-SPAC i redag digwyddiadau a cysylltu'r cymuned at y cwmnïau a'r prifysgol a pobl eraill o'r gwmpas.
Well, we have no facility like this, no space like this in the university, and it's really nice and central for Anglesey so people can get to the area. We have the connections that M-SPAC makes with the local community so we can communicate with the parents and get in touch with the kids and promote STEM and get them engaged with STEM and computing. I certainly hope we'll see a lot of them coming through the university into M-SPAC. There's certainly a lot of the kids that are coming to these sessions, they're coming to month after month. We're seeing them at other Technocamps events, so different events that we run at different locations. We're seeing them in schools, so it's all starting to tie together. It's really nice.
It makes it almost more exciting because you've got all this cool equipment and it looks really cool as well, and I could see myself working somewhere like this in the future.
Dwi'n falch iawn o weld bod y parc yn cael effaith positif ar bobl a economi'r rhanbarth yn barod. Dwi'n tyfu cwmnïau a falch o weld rheini'n tyfu, a hefyd gweld bod ni'n defnyddio arbenigedd y brifysgol yn union beth o'n i wedi dweud ar y cychwyn. Dyna oedd y bwriad a mae'n gret gweld y peth yn cael ei wireddu.